Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make oregano ginger clove tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy oregano ginger clove tea in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To begin with, let's go and pick some fresh oregano leaves. Just a bunch of 4 to 5 leaves should be good. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add the oregano leaves. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, the oregano is nicely boiling. To this, add 1 piece of crushed ginger and 1 clove. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this oregano ginger clove tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger and the oregano has come together very well. Finally, off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. Then strain the oregano ginger clove tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this oregano ginger clove tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. You just need 2 ingredients to make this healthy drink and they are ginger and cloves. You can easily get these 2 ingredients in your kitchen. Take a small piece of ginger and peel off the skin and chop them into fine pieces. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and it is very good for your heart. The ginger contains gingerol which has powerful medicinal properties, can treat nausea and morning sickness, helps in weight loss and lowers your blood sugar levels. Keep this ready. The second ingredient is cloves. Cloves has a lot of antioxidants. This fights against free radicals which damage your cells. Cloves reduce the risk of developing heart diseases, diabetics and certain types of cancer. Now let's check out how to make this healthy drink. Add the chopped ginger to a mug like this. Then add in the cloves. To this add 1 cup of hot water. Close the mug and let this rest for 5 minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. After 5 minutes, open and check. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this belly fat cutter drink recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.